So this is the winch cover. That I received from Amazon. This is the shirt, one of the shirts. Okay, this is one of the New York shirts that I ordered. There's New York. The other New York shirt and the New York zip-up pullover that I ordered has been delayed and won't be here until Monday. That's that one. And then here's the shirt I ordered. I used a I don't know if it was like a reward through the rewards program for this store. A store called Express. I bought this shirt. So these are the two shirts that came today. And this is the fidget spinner that came today. And it came in this box. And this is the fidget spinner that I picked up for free at the Pride in Columbia. So yeah, that's what came today. And one more time, I'm gonna show off the two Simon versus the Homo sapiens agenda books I have, because I love the books, and and I can't wait to see the movie in March. I have the paperback and the hardcover of this book. So, but that did not come today. They came already before. But it was on my bed, so I'll show that again. So that's what came today. Monday, I'm expecting the other New York shirt and the New York zip-up hoodie. And then Wednesday, I'm expecting something through UPS, but I don't know what it is. I think it seems to be a small package, but that doesn't mean it's not something valuable. I don't know what it's going to be, so I will post a video about that. Technically, I have not done a daily vlog yet for Saturday. I will do that later today. I will do that later today. It's part of my sinuses. And I'm gonna do a video of the fidget spinners and after this one. So, good night.